Today we will learn how to rationalize the denominator. First, I'll show you an example. So like 2 over square root of 5 plus 4 square root of 5 over 5. So I'll first show you. You first need to turn the 2 over square root of 5. Then you need to turn it to like first the bottom one, the square root over 5 times square root of 5. So it will be 5. And then the top 2 need to times the square root over 5 too, because the bottom times it 2. That will equal 2 square root of 5. So it will be like this, and then now you can just plus all of them in order. It will end up like this, and then you actually like equals like 6 square root of 5 over 5. So that will be you finished one of these, then you need to do the other. The other are same, so you just can see me how I do others. If you want to do it, but just leave it in the comments below. Then if you want to do something new if you want to make a new video, let me do a new video. Just say it in the comments if you want to. Then now I'm doing the third one, because I just wasted some time saying that, so like I'm almost done. And if you want to learn how to be fast, you need to learn like 20 days to get you can get to a whole stage, but it'll take you a long time, because it took me like a year to get to this level. So like it took me a whole while. It took me a bunch of time to get to this level. Then I'll show you one new time. I'll just tell you again how to do it. Okay. 3 over square root over 5. Square root over 5 need to times a square root over 5. That's 5. And then 3 times square root over 5 is 3 square root over 5, and then just minus it, and then it becomes like this. And then you need to because I need to warn you this is 5. The answer will be minus 4. Do you know? Because the 3 is actually smaller than 7, and then it's gonna be smaller than 0, and smaller. It can be minus 4 or negative 4. Always okay. But I just like the minus 4 because it's shorter to say. And then the answer will be minus 4 square root over 5 over 5. That will be the answer. And once I do this, it will be like 6. It will be 3 square root over 6 plus 6 square root over 6. So like this, it just easy. It becomes this. But if you think it's like this, you can just cancel out the common factors. So the 6 is actually 2 and 3, and the 4 is 2 and 2. You just cancel out the 2, and there will just be 3 and 2 left. So like it's still the same. This square root over 6 doesn't change because like it's not even a number. If there was a square root number down, you can actually cancel some in it. But this time you cannot because there's no square root number down it, so you cannot. This time it's the same, but this time I'll just tell you how to do it. First, this is the same that square root over 4 over square root 3. Then it'll be like 3 4 square root of 3 over 3. So it'll be like this plus square root over 3 of 3 over 2. So it'll be like this, and then this again the 4 square root over 3 4 square root of 3 over 3 will become 6. The bottom 1 times 2, that is 6. And then the 4, because the square root over 3 doesn't need to times it. Because it's not the same number. That means just the 4, because this is just, the top line is just a number. So like this cannot time it, it'll become 2. And 2 times 4 is 8, so it'll be like 8 square root over 3. Or you can just times 2, and it just becomes this. You can just take it back by actually like cancel out the common factors to make it back. But if you don't do this, you cannot even do any of like the easy ones. It's just the same, saying how to do it. It's just the same, and then it becomes, and the square root over 3 of square root of 3 over 2 will become like 6. It will become 3 square root over 3 of 3 square root of 3 over 6. Then it will equal, if you plus it, it will become 11 square root over of 3 over 6. And that will be the answer. And just if you want me to tell you some harder ones, you can just say it in the comments. I will do it after this video. I'll do some harder ones later. The harder videos later. First, like, do you know? There's something that is almost the same thing how to do it. There's almost the same thing how to do it, but it's not quite same, because this one you can actually like sometimes this square root over can turn to numbers, and that one can turn to square root. That one can turn to square root, but you don't need to. So this one sometimes you can do it. Only sometimes. And this one I'm just gonna finish all of these and end the video. But first I'll show you the. I'll just tell you the later there'll be a few more harder ones. So like I'll just finish the video until I like reach this 14. That's right now right here. I'll just finish it until I get there. Okay? And then minus square root of 5 over 3. And I'll just finish. Oh, I got something wrong. I'll just eraser. I'll just show you the harder one. the hard ones, and then you can just like challenge yourself with the hard ones. The hard ones, I can let you challenge it. So you can just watch along and just write it on a piece of paper. Then you just try to remember how to do it, and then if you remember it, you can start doing. You got to start getting right, and then if you got it right, you can just start to do it faster and faster. So if you done this level, you just watch a few. Just tomorrow I'll make a new video. So just if you want me to do more harder ones, it'll be harder next time. I'm just almost finishing up this one. If you want to do a challenge, just doing it without watching the video. If you know it, I will watch your videos and subscribe one time. If you did that. If you want me to subscribe, right? And then you make a YouTube channel, I can just subscribe to it. So if you did that, just say it in the comments, then I can just do it. Now I'll show you the hard ones. This time it'll be 5 over 3 square root of 2 minus 7 square root of 2 over 18. I'll first show you how to do this. First, we need to use the 3 square root over 2 that is in the 5 over 3 square over 2. You just need to times the square root of 2, and then it'll turn into like this, because square root of 2 times square root of 2 is 2. So it'll be 6, because 3 times 2 is 6, and then 5 times square root of 2 is 5 square root of 2, and then minus 18, 7 square root of 2, and then the 6 times 3, that is 18, and 5 times 3, that is 15, square root of 2, because of the square root of 2, because it'll be the same thing, 3 square root of 2, and then you just put the 5 in, just times the 5, that's it, 15 square root of 2. Then that minus 18, 7 square root of 2 over 18. That will become like 8 square root of 2 over 18, and then it will be 4 square root of 2 over 9, and that'll be the answer. This time will be the same thing, and that much easier. If you know Chinese, you can just do this insanely fast, because I just made a Chinese one that is this, and if you know Chinese, you can just go and watch it, and you can just subscribe to what you like videos. Just if you like mine, just turn the bell to gray to subscribe to the bell. Just ring the bell and just hit the like button. and help us reach to 100 subscribers. Okay, I'll just finish this video in like I'm almost done. So bye. Thank you for watching my YouTube videos. So bye.